Mini one-shot chocolate depositors can produce center-filled products in one step. Due to the high depositing accuracy, one-shot products can be realized with a very high filling content. The whole line includes mold heater, loader, depositor, vibrator, demolder to form a standard fully automatic one-shot production line. Thanks to our modular system design, you can increase product variety by adding other related devices, such as adding a nut sprinkler to produce nuts mixed chocolate, or adding a cold press machine to produce chocolate bomb, etc. The demolder is attached to the exit of the cooling tunnel for automatic demolding of chocolate, hence avoiding manual intervention from the operator. The belt will carry the product to the wrapping machine or to the packaging line.